This is a short tutorial for those existing users of the WP data collection tool so that you can move all of the information around your existing children and young people into the new MOATT, the Midlands Outcomes and Throughput Tracker, and then continue to use that new tracker as you were the old tracker. The first thing that we need to do is bring up your copy of the existing Midlands CYPI app data collection tool, and in the right hand side of the screen we will bring up the MOATT. Okay. The next thing that we need to do is if we scroll down here, you'll see that we can unhide the tabs, and these reveal the tabs at the bottom of the screen. We do that for both sides. And you see that here. Now the information that we need to move across is in these two boxes, the intervention data sheet and the children and young people's personal data. So click on intervention data sheet. We will see that we have that information here. And if we go across to the MOATT and the intervention data sheet, you will see that that information is not there. Okay, so if we go to your existing Midlands data capture tool, you will see that there are no headings, so we need to go to view and we need to click in this box here that says headings. Okay, so view, and then just make sure there is a tick in that headings, and that will bring up these headings here. Okay, so what you need to do now is from row 3 down, so we don't copy across here, we need to get as much data as you have. So obviously I've only got a small amount, you will probably have more than that. Scroll down until you have got all of your data and all of your lines of data, and then copy that and simply go across to your new version of MOATT, click into line 3 and paste that information. Okay, now you will notice that there are some differences here where, for example, on this one it will say date of birth on your original, and now it will say age at referral. That's because of the data that we're capturing now is different. Don't worry about that, that makes no difference. The only slight anomaly is that you will say age of referral, and for your existing clients it will actually bring up their month and year of birth. But it makes no difference to the tool itself. And then for the children and young people's personal data, we need to do exactly the same thing. So in the Midlands CYPI data capture tool, again, I have one line of data. You will possibly have loads and loads of lines of data. Scroll down until you've got all of those lines of data captured. Okay, I've only got one, so I'll just capture that one, copy it, cross to your new tool, into line 2. It would be exactly the same if I was capturing multiple lines of data, into line 2 and paste. Okay, and it is as simple as that. Now, as I said before, there are some slight changes. We're no longer capturing information around disability or ethnicity or sexuality. Okay, however, we are capturing referral reasons. Okay, and going forward on this tool, the disability and sexuality will be blank for your new service users. That is absolutely fine. Do not change this top line of information from your old sheet to the new sheet. It will break some of the links. So it is really important that when you copy, when you go to the intervention data sheet, you copy from row 3 down and you paste into row 3. The children and young personal data, children and young people's personal data, you go to row 2 and you capture that information. You go to the children and young people's personal data and you paste into row 2. Once you've done that, this tool, which is your main one, is ready to go. Go to your front page, up to the top, click on Find Service User. Your tabs will disappear at the bottom, and all of your children and young people's information will be in there as before. And now you can continue to use this tool to record that information. The graphical information will still come up, and you can add new children and young people to this tool going forward.